If you want to see me open 4 mystery boxes from Urban Decay, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am very excited to be opening up these 4 mystery boxes from Urban Decay. These were the Halloween mystery boxes and they went on super clearance around Christmas time, and I jumped at the opportunity to get some. I actually ordered 3, and then I got something called a kickback from the Urban Decay site for $20 off anything I wanted, and so I went and ordered a 4th mystery box. So we have 4 to open. They are all very much the same. These are beautiful boxes when you get a mystery box from Urban Decay. I think that's neat. What it is they were selling for $70 each, and I ended up paying $120 for 4, so I ended up paying $30 each for these. That is pretty awesome. Now in these there is one product that I already know is in here because it was a revealed product, and it's a Vice lipstick, a full-size Vice lipstick. But as far as anything else in these boxes, I don't know what's in them. Now I suspect that the 3 that I ordered at the same time might be guaranteed to be different. Sometimes companies will do that if you buy multiple mystery boxes. That happened to me for Color Drain and for another mystery box that I got last year. I'm trying to remember which company it was from. But essentially, if you buy multiple mystery boxes, companies tend to try not to give you the same stuff over and over again. We will see what my fortune, good or bad, is with this set of 4 boxes. But let me just open the first one and we will see what we're dealing with. It is 5 full-size products. So no minis in here. These are 5 full-size products, which is why they say the value is $150. So it could be liners, it could be single shadows, it could be primer, it could be all sorts of things. So let's just open that up right now. I did break this seal before the video, so you didn't see me struggle on camera to open up the boxes. And it is a very nice presentation. So this box, the lid is magnetized. It's just so well done, so well done. Okay, and in here are the 5 products. So let me put this box aside. And like I said, I know that one of the products is a Vice lipstick of the same shade in all 4, but there are 4 other products in here. I don't know what they are. Just opening up the bag here, or not the bag, but the tissue paper. Okay, so I will show you the Vice lipstick only once, because as I said, I'm repeating myself like for the 3rd time. It's the same color in each one. So I don't want to mess it up. So let's just show you what it is. It is called Venom, and it's a very pretty color, no question. And I will verify that it is Venom in each one, but I'm quite sure that is the case. Okay, now for the other products. Oh, I was hoping to get this one. This is a liner called Invasion, and I had my eyes on it, and that is super. It's a really neat color, and let me give you a swatch of that. Look at that color. It is awesome. I have swatches from another video on my hand, but look at that green. It is super, super nice. It's kind of a between a, no, it's a deep teal. I'll call it a deep teal. Invasion. Really, really a nice color. So first product I'm very happy with. And then I have 2 individual shadows from Urban Decay, and the 2 of them I do not have. So this is very exciting. The first one is, and here I thought I was so smart having cut open the little boxes, mystery boxes before the video, but there was more to cut. All right, so we've got that 1985 color that I'm going to snip open. They're not super easy to open. Okay, so here's the first one. That is a very nice color. So let me swatch that one. I've never ever tried that color, as far as I know anyway. It's a very nice addition to my singles, and I'm big on the pinky purple from Urban Decay, so that is terrific. Look at that color. I'm very happy with it. And then the second one is called Smoke Out, so let me open that up for us. Okay, again with these nice single packages, and it is a very deep gray. Now let's take a look at what it says. It doesn't offer the type of formula description, but it is, yeah, it's a real gunmetal brown. I was going to say brown, gunmetal gray. That is a very nice color as well. So I'm pretty happy with those two singles. That's great. Singles from Urban Decay are around $20–25 Canadian, so I'm not unhappy with that one either. And then I have a heavy metal liner in Punk Rock. And I will just show it to you. I will not swatch it though, because I'm pretty sure I have this one already. It is a very nice liner. I am not unhappy because this is one of my favorite colors. So I'm just going to put it aside and we'll see what happens. So that is it for the first mystery box. Pretty happy about that. And now we see if we have duplication. So this is the second box. Let's open that one up. Now I know that the Vice lipstick is going to be a duplicate, but when I did the math, it still made a whole lot of sense to get 4 full-size products other than the lipstick. So I'm just opening this up right now. And Vice lipstick, yeah, it is Venom again. And then the heavy metal liner in this one is, oh, it's Punk Rock again. Whoops. Let's see what happens with the rest of this. Don't tell me it's all the same. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All the same. Invasion and the two singles again. Okay, so I'm going to put that box aside because we don't need to open all of those up because we know what they look like. Now I really hope that all of them are not the same. So let's see what this third one is. Oh, get out. Please tell me it's not all the same. Same liner. Same. And same. Okay, well I have one box left, and how much, let's just stop right now. How much do you want to wager? Leave me a comment. How much do you want to wager that this is the exact same contents again? Here we go. Now again, we know that the lipstick is going to be the same. So Venom is put aside. We have Invasion again. We have Punk Rock again. And the same two singles. Now that is what you call a real bummer. But that's the thing with mystery boxes. You never know if it's a standard packaging that they're giving everybody. And the reason I didn't think it was because I looked at a couple of reviews for the Halloween mystery boxes, and the products that I was seeing from the two reviews where they provided pictures, the contents of the mystery box were not the same. And I'm really surprised from Urban Decay that if they get an order for 3 mystery boxes, that they have 3 mystery boxes going out to the same person with the same contents. Because it doesn't end up being much of a mystery, does it, if you know before you open the box what are the 5 things that are going to be in the box. Now with that, with the liner and the singles that I swatched, you can have a really good idea what's in the box and what it's like. And I should swatch Punk Rock and also the Venom lipstick for you so that you can see the colors. So I'll do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to open up the lipstick that I showed you initially. So that's the same one I opened up a little bit earlier. And let's do a swatch of Venom, which I love purpley fuchsias. So I'm not upset about having this lipstick in a full size in my collection. I actually think that those three colors go really, really well together. So I'm happy with that arrangement of colors in my collection. And Punk Rock also I said I would swatch, so let me do that. And here we go. So we've got the two singles, we've got Venom, we've got Invasion, and we've got Punk Rock on the bottom. So as a set of 5 products, I don't think it's a bad set at all. And when I think about 25, 25, 25-ish, that's $75. That is usually $30, so that is $105. And then this is another 26, I think, or 28. So the value is there, no question. Would I have spent that much money? So I'll put the value, the retail value of these 5 products on the screen, and again letting you know that I paid $30 total for each one of the boxes. I do feel like I came out ahead. Each one of these would have been $6 each, which is a fraction of what it is that that they are at retail price. So let's say on the screen the full retail price, what I paid, and the discount of me deciding to go after the mystery boxes. So yeah, and even with 4 of them, the fact that I am obviously going to use 1/4 of the products in there, it's still, the value was supposed to be $150, and I ended up paying for all 4 of them $120. So there we have it. And well, it was entertaining to see what would happen. And it is what it is. It's a gamble every single time. And this is the first time ever that I have kind of a lousy, I would say it has to be called lousy, mystery box experience. But that's it. That's where I'm at with that. And yeah. They're good products though. And so I am sure that I will find some good homes for them. I'm probably going to save a lot of this product for giveaway stuff for 2021. Obviously, I'm not going to use 5 of each one of these products over the next couple of years, that's for sure. Yeah, so that is it from me. Let me know what you think of this experience. I would love to hear what you have to say. Have you ever purchased mystery boxes from Urban Decay? If so, how did it go? And if you have some mystery box recommendations, I would love to hear that as well. I have to say, colored rain mystery boxes are fantastic, as are Cleona mystery shadow bags. That's a good experience that as well. And I'm probably going to keep trying out different mystery boxes to see what I think of what different brands do. But I would really hope that not too many do the exact same products the way Urban Decay did. I think that's kind of sloppy. We knew about the lipstick, but the 4 other products, there should have been some variation in those mystery boxes. They're supposed to be a mystery. We kind of knew what was going to happen in the other boxes after the 3rd box was opened. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you so much for sharing this experience with me. I look forward to your comments. And with that, I will say, see you in the next video. But for now, take care.